Hello YouTube, this is Vincent, one of the guides of Wonders of London, and I'm here in the heart of the city on part of the Jubilee Walkway. And you've got some phenomenal buildings in this area of London. It's known as the City of London, and we lovingly call it the Square Mile. One of the phenomenal buildings is of course the Royal Exchange, just in front of us over there. We also have to the left the Bank of England, and as I pan round you can just see how fantastic this place is. And we actually have a mixture of architecture as well. We've got the old buildings mixed with the new buildings, and it is just an amazing place full of history here in the City of London. And the City of London is almost 2,000 years old. In fact, it is technically 2,000 years, over 2,000 years old. You've got Roman history, you've got Celtic history, you've got Viking history, and you've got so many different forms of history here in the City of London. And it is a place you must definitely visit, especially this area. Your closest station is of course Bank Station, and if you ever visit this section where we have the Bank of England and the Royal Exchange just over there, be sure to make note of the lamps, because the lamps here are simply fantastic, as you will see in a few moments. First thing you'll note on this particular lamp is that there's a little dragon above it, and the dragons are known as the guardians of London, so it is quite a phenomenal thing. We also have a lot of mythology and mythological history in London. But another thing you should note is just the decorations of these lamps as you slowly look a bit closer at them, and they are simply fantastic, as you can see over here. Now, one brilliant thing just here at the Royal Exchange is the new sculptures they have inside the Royal Exchange. And if you follow me this way, we can walk around here and have a look at them. Another brilliant thing to visit is of course Leadenhall Market, where they filmed the famous Harry Potter film. So if you're a Harry Potter fan, this is one of the locations you must visit. We also have a memorial to the two great wars just over here, and we can see the coat of arms for the City of London, and we've got the English flag guarded by two dragons. And here we can see a memorial dedicated to the office, the immortal honour of the officers, non-commissioned officers that is, and men of London who served in World War I, 1914 to 1919, and gave their lives. Their names will always be remembered. And just down here we also have an added inscription for World War II, 1939 to 1945. So there is just so much to discover here in the City of London, the Square Mile. And in fact, if you follow me over here, we've got some interesting paparazzi. They recently added these new statues just here, so they're quite fantastic to look at. And the doorway itself to the Royal Exchange, the entrance, is simply majestic. But first, before looking at the entrance, let's check out these paparazzi. So as you enter the Royal Exchange, you will feel like quite a celebrity, although the paparazzi are a bit odd to say the least, but we can see them just over there. And of course, I will now show you the majestic entrance to the Royal Exchange just over there. Quite a brilliant green gate with those two lamps. It is majestic. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. And of course, if you want to see more videos, do click the like button, and also subscribe to our channel. We'll bring you more bits of amazing and wonderful, brilliant, beautiful London. Thanks so much. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.